Sales forecasting isn't just about predicting future sales. It helps to set the foundation for your entire business operation. Accurate forecasts help with budgeting and allocating resources effectively across departments like sales, marketing, and administration. They also ensure you have the right amount of staff and materials to meet demand, and they empower you to make informed strategic decisions that drive the company forward. To build a reliable sales forecast, you need to understand several moving parts. First, you need to know the average duration of your sales cycle. Is it short, like a few days, or long, spanning several months? Use past sales data to identify trends and patterns. Consider your ideal customer profile, or ICP, to determine who your best customers are and how long it takes to close a deal with them. Stay aware of external factors such as economic changes or industry trends that might impact sales. The CRM is a key component for accurate sales forecasting. It allows you to track the progress of each deal through the sales funnel, monitor individual and team performance in real time, and integrate sales data with other business metrics for comprehensive insights. Setting goals is a great way to ensure you as an individual, or maybe even your whole team, are doing the things that contribute to your success. Vendasta makes it simple to monitor progress towards these goals by automatically tracking the activities that contribute to these goals as part of your daily work. Let's set up a revenue goal for the upcoming year. Select Goals from the side menu and select Create Goal. Here, you can choose your type of goal, such as revenue goals or activity goals for an individual or a team. Let's create a revenue goal for 1 calendar year and make this an individual goal by choosing the salesperson who contributes to this goal. Now, whenever an opportunity assigned to the salesperson is marked as closed won, it'll be counted towards the salesperson contribution towards that revenue goal. Apart from overall revenue goals, you can also set up more specific revenue goals based on new business or existing business. You can even set targets for different kinds of sales activities that are logged in the CRM. Now that you have the goals all set up, how do you see if you or your team is on pace to meet your goals? The Salesperson and Sales Team Target Tracker Premium Report not only shows the revenue salespeople have closed this month in comparison to their monthly targets, but also has a pipeline analysis to show how we can achieve our revenue goals for this month and next month. For example, if the sum of our weighted pipeline is below the sum of our target, we'll be unlikely to reach our goal based on the expected close rates we set up in our pipeline. Some ways we could help close this gap might include increasing the likelihood of some of this month's deals closing, moving some of next month's deals into this month, or drumming up new business to close this month. We can keep an eye on our next month's pipeline too, to ensure we will have enough opportunities ready to close next month. It's a delicate balance, but we've always got to keep the pipeline full and moving. To make sure you or your team are taking the actions required to move opportunities through your pipeline, you can use the Sales Manager Metrics report to see things like how many emails your team is sending or how many meetings you are having compared to the activity targets you set in goals. By using the goals and reports in tandem with logging activities and opportunities in Vendasta, you can unlock a wealth of information you can use to forecast your sales, provide transparency and motivation to your team, and make the strategic decisions you need to grow your business.